Okay, so here she is in all her tubby glory. Look at Mommy. Riley. Hi. Hi. Let's see. Riley. And she's become so fat that she can't even sit to eat. She has to lay down to eat, which is gross and disgusting. But I love her. Riley. Hi, Tubster. Hi. Hi, Monkey. What you doing? You're so fat. Who's a fat girl? Mommy, you are. Oh, I know. Mommy's fat too, so I can't judge. Let me see that beautiful face. Oh, oh, oh my God, I love you. You're so pretty. A Tubster. A Tubster who loves her food bowl. Okay, folks. Oh, let's see. You're purring. Can we get that? Can we record you purring? Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you. Hi, Papa. You want me to rub your tummy, don't you? Oh, she's gorgeous. Love you, baby. Love you.